know what, Barry? Christmas Eve is such a special night. It's really exciting, and sometimes it's really hard to get to sleep.
It is hard to get to sleep, especially now. Can you hear that barking going on out there?
Oh, yeah, you know what? That sounds like Wags the dog. And with Wags barking like that, I don't think anybody's going to be able to get to sleep.
Even I can't get to sleep. Hi, Greg.
Hi.
Hang on a second. You're Barry. You're Greg.
Right.
Hey guys, we've got a problem. What are we going to do? Wags is barking. Murray, Barry, Greg, Jeff. What do we do? I know. Let's ask Wags to stop barking.
Wags, stop your barking!
Everyone's asleep. Oh, come on, Wags. Stop the barking. Wags, stop your barking. It's late on Christmas Eve. Come on, Wags. Santa's on his way. He's oh so near. But if everyone's awake, he can't stop here. Wags, stop your barking. It's late on Christmas Eve. Wags, it's Christmas Eve. What are you barking for? Santa's in his big bright sleigh, delivering the presents for Christmas Day. If Wags is barking, nobody sleeps. Santa's got a schedule to keep. Wags, stop your barking. Everyone's asleep. We can't get to sleep, Wags. Wags, stop your barking. It's late on Christmas Eve. Santa's on his way, he's nearly here. If everyone's awake, he can't stop here. Wags, stop your barking. It's late on Christmas Eve. Hang on a second, everybody. Oh! Look, there's fog. Oh, I can't see. It's hard to see. Oh, dear. Santa Claus is lost. Oh, oh. But he can't hear a barking in the mist. Wags, keep on barking. Santa's lost his way. Wags, is that you? Wags, keep on barking. It's almost Christmas Day. Oh, I can hear you, Wags. Thanks to Wags on his fire, Santa's presents will arrive on time. Yes, and Christmas, Wags, keep on barking. Now it's all okay. Thank you, Wags. Wags, keep on barking. Santa's found his way. Come on, Wags. Thanks very much, Wags. You've saved Christmas again.